Yeah, we are live now.
Thank you, Pratibha ji.
Thank you.
So today we have this puzzle session with Mr. Murli. So he has a master's degree in physics from IIT in Bombay. He started his career as a developer and then a project manager. He is presently teaching physics to students from class 4 to 11th. So today he is going to teach us something called binary puzzles, so which is also called takuzu in Japanese. So you can start, Mr.
Great, thank you. Thanks a lot, Arohi, for my introduction. So, kids, are you all excited to learn this puzzle? Just raise your
Yes.
hands. Okay, great. So let me share my screen. Have you heard of this puzzle? Anyone? You can speak if you want. No. Okay, that's fine. We will learn. Can you see my document?
Yes, we
Okay.
can.
Okay. So binary means what? Binary means two, right? One,
Binary means 0 or 1.
0 or 1.
Yeah.
Okay. So this puzzle is we'll play using numbers 0 and 1 in a grid. Okay. Now grid is nothing but a table. Okay. Something like this. You see this over here? Can you see the grid over here?
Yes.
Okay. So we'll play the puzzle using this grid. Okay. Now there are some rules to how you should play this game called binary puzzle. So each one of you read the rules. There are 4 rules. So I'll give you 3 minutes to read, and then we'll start.
Do we include like diagonally in this? Diagonally.
No, no.
Okay.
It's row wise or it's column wise.
Okay.
So each box should contain either 0 or 1. More than 2 equal numbers immediately next to or below are not allowed. So if you have 3 zeros vertically or row wise, it's not allowed. Each row and column should contain equal number of zeros and 1. And each row is unique and each column is unique. That's the rule. Fine? Shall we play? Okay, let's play the easy part now. Okay. Now, can you tell me? Now, let's start with this row. Okay. So, what would come here?
2 zeros because 2 ones are there, so equal number should be there.
Great. So, 2 ones are there. You cannot have 1 over here.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the rule. You should have 0. If you put it 0 over here, now this has to be
0.
0. Great. Now, what should come here?
1.
Why?
Because there are already 2 zeros in this column, so
1 should come here.
Yeah.
Okay. What should come here?
1 only.
1. I think Aditya, just hold on. I want others to also answer.
Okay.
Okay. So let me go by names. Khyati, what should come here?
0. 0.
Why?
Because there are 2 ones and there's already 1 0.
Yeah, because there are 2 ones already and 1 0. So you need to have 2 zeros, right? So 0 should come here. Great. What would come here?
0.
0. Okay. I'll ask somebody else now. So Aditya and but please hold on. Now, Mudlik. Okay. Okay, so what should come here?
1.
Great. What should come here?
1.
1. Great. I think you are done. Jacob. What should come here?
1.
Why?
Because there are 2 zeros and 1 1.
Yeah, so no, because if you see there are 2 zeros over here, so you can't have 0 over here. You have to have a 1 over here. Correct. What should come here?
0.
0. Correct. So this grid is done. So this game is done. So clap for yourself. Good job. Okay, let's go to the next one. Now tell me, Shravani, can you unmute yourself?
Yes.
Okay, so how do you start this game? This box.
I think from the first.
Huh?
First row.
First row. Okay.
Yes.
First row where? Here?
At the last.
Okay, at the last. What will you put here?
0.
No. It can't be 0 over here. Think again.
1.
Okay, 1 is right. But I would prefer you start from here, the third row. You see these 2 zeros?
Yes.
In between 2 zeros, what can come?
1.
1. Correct. Okay. Now which cell would you take the next one?
The next one also 1.
Here?
Yeah, 1.
1. Great. So fine. Unmute yourself. Okay. So who else is there? Sahasra. Okay.
And to tell the second one.
Sahasra. So which cell would you target? Second
The
row?
second one.
Okay, here. What would come here?
1.
1. Why? Why?
Because there 1, 2 zeros and 1,
Because
1.
in a column or a row, there should be equal number of zeros and ones. Correct? So we already have 2 zeros over here. You have to put 1 1 over here. Fine. So which one would you go for the next one? Yes?
0.
0. Right. This is done. Next one. Here.
0.
0. Correct. So unmute yourself, Sahasra. Okay, who's yet to answer? Can you raise your hands? Sanaya. Can you unmute yourself?
He's asking.
Yeah, great. Yeah, I can see you, Sanaya. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. So what number will come here? 1 or 0? In this cell?
0.
0. Why?
2 ones and 2 zeros.
Exactly. Correct. So this is done. This is done. Now this one. Now what will come here?
0.
Hmm?
0.
Not 0. Think again.
Oh, 1.
1. Because we have a 0 over here. It has to be 1. Okay. If this is 1, this is 1, this is 0. What would come here?
0.
0. Great. Unmute yourself. Anybody else? We have, I think, Niranjan. What would come in the first row, first column?
0.
Great. What would come here?
1.
Why?
Because there are 2 zeros.
Okay. Who's answering this question?
Me.
What's your name? I can't see your name.
My name is Kalina.
Kalina. Okay. Actually, I was asking Niranjan. Fine. So this is a 4 cross 4 grid. We will go to a complicated problem now. Okay, I'll go serial wise, name wise. First one is Aditya. Now, which cell, which row and which column would you take? Start off with in this grid.
Let me think. And this. Maybe the last column. Maybe. Yeah. Okay. Last column. In the first square, it will be 0 on the top one. Yeah. There.
This one.
Yeah, because 3 ones can't be together. More than 2.
2 ones and 1 0, right?
Yeah.
Perfect.
And then 1 will be on the not there, just below it.
Just below it, what?
No, here 0 will be there.
That's it.
And then 1 below that.
Yeah, that's it. One second. I'll go to the next one.
Okay.
So, Khyati.
Yeah.
Yeah, choose a number and tell me the cell number, tell me the row number, and tell me the column number. First, unmute yourself.
I will choose the first row.
First row?
Yeah.
And which column?
The column, like, you see the 1, right? The column down the 1.
See, this is row.
Yeah.
This is row. This is column. The first row, first column is this, which is already 1 defined. So which one would you go for?
1.
Don't you think this is easier?
Yeah. There it would be 0.
0? It can't be 0. There are already 2 zeros below it. It has to be something else. Think.
1.
Yeah, it has to be 1. The rule says 3 consecutive zeros, so 3 consecutive ones can't be there in a row or a column. Correct? So, Khyati, once again, can you unmute yourself?
Yeah.
Now, which row and column would you select?
I'll choose the first row and the first column.
First row, first column is this. You have to choose something in this area or in this area or in this area.
You can choose the first row, second column.
First row, second column. Yes. Okay. Don't answer, Aditya.
Okay.
Khyati, what would come here? There cannot be 3 consecutive ones.
Can I answer?
Wait. Let's give her some time.
So, would like to tell first row, fifth column.
Okay. No. You tell the answer for this.
So, 0,
So
0,
first row, second column, which is this.
0.
The answer would be 1 or 0.
The answer is 0.
0. Correct. Okay. Shravani,
First
Yes.
row, fifth column.
which one would you select?
First row, fifth column.
First row, fifth column. 3, 4, 5. This one. Huh? What would come here?
Here. 0,
Shravani,
1,
what would come here?
Yes.
1. 1.
1. Good. Okay. Unmute. Okay. You can answer one more. See in
Yes.
this area. There are so many places where you can answer.
0.
Where?
I'm not answering.
Yes,
Zero.
Shravani, answer. Please answer.
Yeah, I would select the second row, fifth one.
Okay. So what would come here?
1.
Correct. Okay. Unmute yourself. Sahasra. Unmute yourself. There are many places where you can answer the, you can tell me the number 1 or 0. So which one would you select?
Second column, fifth.
Second?
Second column,
Row.
second row.
Second column, second row. Okay. This one. Okay. What would come here?
Zero.
0 or 1? Huh?
1.
1. Correct.
One.
Very correct. Okay. You answer one more. Over here.
Fourth row, second column.
Fourth row, second column.
No. Answer this one. What would come over here?
This one. Here.
One.
1. Good. Okay. Unmute yourself. Jacob. Now tell me which row, which column do you want to select? Jacob?
Fourth row and fourth column.
Fourth row and fourth column. Okay.
1.
Why?
Because
You can't decide what will come here. These places are not yet
May I
filled,
say?
right?
May I answer this particular square?
I think it will be 0.
No, you cannot guess it. It can either be 0 or 1. We have to wait till other boxes are filled.
No, we can
You
solve
can-
this
you can
directly
put this
also.
one,
May
right?
I say how?
1.
Yeah, this is 1. If this is 1, this one would be
0.
0. Okay. Unmute yourself. Okay, I think, yeah. Mudlik. Can you unmute yourself? Okay. Sanaya. Sanaya. Please unmute yourself. So what would, so which one would you select?
The second.
This one over here. What would come here?
1.
No. You cannot have 3 ones, right?
Yes.
This one would be
0.
0. Correct. And this one would be
1.
1. Unmute yourself. Midulik. Unmute yourself. Yeah. Can you tell me what would come here?
0.
No, it's not for you.
Oh. 1.
1. Good. What would come here?
0.
Correct. Unmute yourself. Niranjan. What would come here?
1.
Correct. And what would come here?
1.
1. Correct. Unmute yourself. Have I asked everybody? Aditya,
Yes.
what would come here?
0.
Here. 0.
0.
Yeah, correct. And what would come here? What would come here?
There. 1.
1. Okay. Unmute yourself. Okay. Now I'll pick randomly. Shravani. Can you tell me what would come here? I can't hear you. Shravani, unmute yourself.
0.
Why?
Because there's 2 ones over there, so it's 0.
No. That's yeah. That's one of the reasons. And also, if you take this row, there are 3 ones and 2 zeros. So this has to be 0. Okay. So what would come here?
0. No. 1.
You can't decide. It's better you answer this one.
It's 1.
It's 1. Correct. Unmute yourself. Okay. Do we have Shreya? Oh, sorry. Khyati.
Yeah.
So what would come here?
There. I think 1.
Correct. And what would come here? Khyati?
0.
0. Why?
Because there are already 3 ones in that column, and there are only 2 zeros. So
Right. So I'm sharing one more application. Just hold on. Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay. So we'll make a fresh start. So I'll randomly pick. So Jacob, tell me which one, which cell, which column would you select? Fast. There are many things you can see over here. Over here? What would come over here? Where, I mean, in this cell where you can
1.
see 1. Correct. And over here? I think we should be fast now.
0.
Perfect. Yep. Unmute yourself. Shravani.
Yes.
So which cell, which column would you take?
The first one, third row.
First column, third row. This one. Yeah. What would come here?
1.
Why?
Because in that row, there are 2 zeros. So
Right. Perfect. I think you can tell me one more quickly.
first column, third row.
First column, third row. Is this? This is already filled up.
No,
This is first column. This
fourth
is
one. Fourth
Huh?
one. Fourth one down.
Fourth column. This one.
You can
Yes.
do the 6th column.
You can do this one, right?
Yeah.
So what would
That
come
is
here?
also 1.
1. Fine. Correct. Unmute yourself. Mr. Aditya,
Yes.
choose your own cell and column. See, I'll tell you, wait, for everybody's sake. This is first column, second column, third column, fourth column. First row, second row, third row, fourth row. So I want the exact cell and column.
Okay. I am choosing the first row, 6th column.
First row,
6th column.
column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No. Those are rows, I think. Columns are like.
Okay, first row and sixth column.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one. Okay, tell
0.
me.
0. Because there are 2 ones, so
Correct.
it should be 0.
Correct. You can do one more.
Okay, this one only. It's 0 again because 3 ones can't be.
Yeah. Perfect. Unmute yourself. Mr. Niranjan. Tell me the exact row number and cell number and the column number.
5th row and the 6th column.
Fifth row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And sixth column. Okay. What is it?
0.
0, no.
1.
Yeah, it has to be 1, right? Okay, one more. This time it has to be correct. Everybody else, look at the screen and see what else can be filled up, because I'll be asking you questions.
Okay.
Don't see here and there.
Last row, 4th column.
Last row, 4th column. 3, 4. Okay, yeah. So what would be here? Yeah.
1.
Yeah. Speak a bit louder. Okay. Unmute yourself. Khyati,
Yes.
tell me the row number and the column number.
I will take the.
There are many.
I'll take the 4th row. I'll take the 4th row.
4th row. Okay. And
I'll take the 4th row and
speak a bit louder, please.
I'll take the 4th row and the 5th column.
5th column. This one.
Yeah.
Bit strange. You cannot decide what would come here.
Unless you do the one beside it.
Yeah, you can do many other things. Think again.
I'll do the first row.
First row.
And
yes, correct. And quickly. We don't have time.
5th column.
Yeah. So what would come here?
There, 1.
Correct. Okay. So unmute yourself. Midulk.
Yes.
Yeah. Tell me, sir. Quickly. Tell me the row number and the cell number.
That one.
Huh?
That one I want to.
Speak a bit louder.
That one.
Okay. This one. Okay. So what would come here?
1.
Correct. Tell me one other thing. Midulk.
Yes.
Yeah. So tell me one other cell.
That one you pointed at.
Tell me the column number and the row number.
The 1.
Which row number and which column number?
4.
I'm sorry.
4.
Huh?
4.
4. Okay. And column number?
4 column.
4 column. Okay. What would come here?
0.
Correct. Very good. Okay. Shravani. Tell me quickly.
Yes.
Yeah. So there are many cells to be filled up. Which one would you select?
First column.
First column.
6th row.
5th row.
Yeah.
You can't tell.
Huh?
5th row is this one. It's already filled up.
No, the down part.
Okay. Fine.
0.
0. You can't tell it's 0 or 1.
It's 1 because the one beside it should be 0 because 3 can't be together.
Yeah, I think you can choose some other things also. You can choose this one, right?
0. Yeah, I can choose.
Yeah, so can you tell me what is it? Quickly.
1.
Yeah. Tell me one more.
The same, only the next one. Yeah.
Yeah, so what is it?
That's 0.
Perfect. Okay.
This 1. Idigo Pavan. This 1. Pavan.
Sorry, Nana.
Ma. Ma, this 1.
Sahasra.
Come. Chudu.
అది ఏ రో ఏ కాలం చెప్పు.
Sahasra, can you unmute yourself?
This
Yeah.
is
This
row.
column.
Tell me the row and the column number.
This is row. Okay, this is column.
Second column.
ఇదిగో
First
1,
row.
3, 4th row, 4th column అనాలి.
Fifth column.
ఈ row column.
First
Row. This is column.
Middle line.
Sir, show
Yeah,
the
it's okay.
pointer and ask her, sir. Because she don't know
Okay,
rows and
okay,
columns.
fine. I'll do that. No problem. So,
Okay, sir.
Sahasra, tell me this.
What will be there?
This one.
0.
Perfect. Very good.
0.
I think you can tell this one also.
అక్కడేమో
0.
No,
0.
No, no.
3 1s 3 0s.
We can't
One.
say.
One. Correct. Okay. Unmute yourself.
నేను చెప్తాను.
Sanaya.
అని చెప్తారు.
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me here what would
ఇక్కడ
come
ఏమో
here?
చెప్పు.
1. 1.
No.
ఇక్కడేమో
0.
0. Correct.
బికాజ్ ఇక్కడ 0 ఇక్కడ 2 1s ఉన్నాయి కదా. So
Because
0.
2 ones are there, right? It can't be 1 over here. What about this?
1.
Correct. Tell me this.
1.
Correct. Jacob. Okay. Jacob, can you please tell me which cell and which column?
Second row and second column.
Okay. What would come here?
1.
Very good. And next one.
0.
అదేంటి
Okay, good.
Column.
Okay, so unmute yourself. Aditya, can you finish up the remaining ones?
Yes, I can.
Yeah.
Okay. So first row, third column it's 1,
Correct.
and just beside it is 0.
Correct.
0.
So we have successfully completed this one. Okay, so we'll do one more.
Can you increase the difficulty level? Because easy is too easy.
Yeah, so let's do a medium one. Okay.
Okay.
I will call on Khyati.
Yeah.
So which one would you take?
Third
Third row?
and
Column. Root చెప్తా.
పేరు
second column.
Third row and second column. Correct. This one.
ఇది 0.
Zero.
They it would be 1.
One.
I didn't say 0. I think somebody else said.
Yeah, okay. Tell me one more quickly.
నువ్వు చూసేస్తే
Here?
There are plenty of them.
Column.
ఎన్నో రోజు తీసుకుంటాను
Fourth
I
row,
want to answer.
Fourth row.
second column.
Fourth row, second column is
అదే రో ఎన్నో
this one.
కౌంట్ చేయి ఎన్నో రో
Okay. What is the answer?
I'll
Really?
take
You cannot tell.
ఇదా
You cannot tell. You
But
can take. You can choose this one,
two
right?
numbers ఉన్న చోట చూసి
I think I hear background.
here.
So this one would be 0. Correct.
I know that. Because
Fine.
3.
Unmute yourself.
3 1s కాదు ఇక్కడ.
Shravani.
రోనే చూసుకోవాలి. ఇట్లా
Okay.
ఇట్లా
Quickly, everybody
ఇక్కడ
focus
చూసుకోవాలి.
on the screen, please.
Yes.
Shravani. Yeah. Tell me.
0.
Where?
Oh, there? Okay. Here.
Fifth row, second column.
Shravani, tell me
Second column.
row. Yeah. Tell me the row number and the column number.
Okay. First row, third column.
First row is this. Third column is this.
Yeah.
You can't tell.
Yeah.
Not
Sahasra
that.
wants
The first row.
First row.
Yeah, down. Below the 0.
This is first row and third column.
This is third row and first.
Yeah, third row and first column.
Yeah.
1, right? Okay. Take one more, Shravani.
0.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay, makes sense. Okay. Okay, 1 second. Jacob. Quickly.
50. Fourth row, second column.
Fourth row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second column. This one.
Yeah.
You can't tell.
1.
No, you can't. You can't tell it is 1. You can tell this one.
0.
Correct. Tell me one more.
Second row, the last one.
Second row.
Second column.
Second row and second column.
No, she wants to say sixth row, second column.
Sixth row. Okay. Second column. Okay. What is it?
1.
Why? Why is it 1?
Because there are 2 ones on there.
You still cannot say it is 1. It can be 0 also.
Wait, after this, can I tell one, please?
No, it has to be 1. You are correct.
After this, can I
I'll tell you. I'll come back to you, Aditya. Yeah,
Okay.
please tell.
Now?
Yeah.
Okay, it's an unusual one. I'll take the first row and sixth column.
First row and
Sixth column, the last one. I know it's like, it seems impossible, but I got an answer to this. It'll be 1 according to me, because in the third column, 1 will be there, obviously.
So this would be what?
No,
what did you say?
This one will be 1. I have like done it in my mind. And should I tell the reason?
Yeah, please tell the reason also.
Because the third column in the first row will be 1. It will be 1. So now either in this one 0 can come or 1. So we can just take anything randomly. But now my explanation is that already 2 zeros have come in this. So 1 0 is only left, and it can't come in the last one, because then all three.
Got it. Your logic is correct.
Yeah, because all 3 1 will be together, so 1 will be coming there.
Okay. Give me one more.
Okay, one more. Yeah, in the remaining 1 0 will come. No, these two actually can't be predicted now. Only the last.
You can predict this one. Why can't you predict this one?
I can't, because.
So you can't predict this one also then?
No, we can, because 3 1s can't come together.
3 1s cannot come together. So if one comes here, then
0 will be there. But I predicted only for the last one. That is 1 for sure.
So 1 can come here. If 1 comes here,
then 0
will come here.
Yeah. Yeah, according to me.
If 0 comes here,
then 1 will be there.
Then one will be there.
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds logical. Okay, give me one more.
Okay, one more. Okay, yeah. Third column, second row.
Third column,
second row. Yeah, here. 1.
Correct. Okay.
Hello, sir. I am Soham.
Who is it?
Soham.
Hi, Soham. Hi. Have you understood the concept now? Soham, can you help me fill?
Yes.
Yeah, please tell me.
You can ask any random box.
Here, this one.
Okay. 0.
Correct. Okay. Here, this one.
1.
Correct. Here.
0.
Correct. Perfect. Okay. Unmute yourself, Soham.
You have put there 1.
Oh, it should be 0, right? Yeah, correct. I'm sorry. Unmute yourself. We'll go to Midulk.
Fourth column.
This one you can fill.
Fourth row.
Yeah, no. What is that one?
Yeah. Fourth row, second column. One. Fine, correct. Anything else?
1.
Here.
0.
Correct. So here, 1 second, unmute yourself. Khyati, what would come here?
There. 1.
1, correct. And here?
There. 0.
Huh?
There. 0.
Speak loudly.
There 0 would come.
Okay, 0, correct. Okay. Niranjan. Yeah, unmute yourself. I think there are many places where you can fill. We don't have time. We have 2 minutes only.
Sixth row, fifth column.
Fifth row, fifth column. Okay.
Sixth row.
Sixth row, fifth column. Okay.
0.
Yeah, correct.
Unmute.
Yeah, and one more, Niranjan, quickly.
0.
Okay.
Well, you can fill the last, like the remaining square with 0 also, because
Yeah. Everything else is 0. Fine. Unmute yourself.
Oh no, what's happened? I don't really know, sir.
Sanaya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what would come here in the box which is highlighted in yellow?
Sir, I cannot see a screen for me. It's some network issue for me.
Okay. Sahasra. Sorry, I forgot you. So what would come here?
Mama?
Sahasra, quickly.
Where?
Yeah.
0.
Correct. 0. Here?
1.
Not 1. It can't be 1. See again.
0.
Yeah. Why 0? Because every row or column should have equal number of zeros and 1. Okay. Now we are at an important stage. Aditya.
yeah.
Okay. Can you tell me one or two?
Okay, the first row, fifth column. 0.
0.
No, it will be 1. It will be 1.
Correct. Huh.
Yeah, and one more is just below it. It will be 0.
Correct. Okay, fine. You can unmute yourself.
Can you leave it, please?
Miduk.
Yes.
Yeah, so what would come here?
0.
No, think again. Yeah, so I think you can fill the rest one.
Yes, I can. This will, the last one will be 1. Last one will be 1.
The last one will be 1, correct. This one will be?
This one will be 1.
1 again.
And the last 0.
This one will be 0. Correct. So we have done. Okay. So what you can do is, in your free time, you can increase the complexity to hard, very hard. So this site is called binarypuzzle.com. You can note it down.
Well, there's a 14 by 14 puzzle on the top. Is that the same thing? Only 14 by 14?
14 by 14 is also there. You can select.
Okay.
But it would take a lot of time. It would take about 20 minutes or 25 minutes to complete it.
Yeah.
I have done one 14 by 14. It took some time.
Yeah.
Okay.
It would.
So you can go to this site binarypuzzle.com. You can select the easy part, medium, hard, very hard, and you can select the number also. I mean, it gives you about 20, not 20. It gives you more puzzles. It gives you about 100 puzzles.
Oh.
More than 100.
What if we do 14 by 14 and the difficulty level very hard? It will be
No. First do the easy one.
Yeah.
Then slowly increase it to medium, then hard, then very hard. Okay. So you guys enjoyed it?
Yes.
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 Very much.
Okay, great.
Yes.
So do we have Arohi?
Arohi, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, she's there.
Okay, I think we can close it off. So I'm done. Thank you very much, kids, for joining.
It was a really nice.
Thank you.
And enjoyed a
Thank
lot.
you.
Thank you so much, Uncle.
Thank you. Take care.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you so much, Uncle.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much, Murali.
Yeah, just remember
Bye.
this site, binarypuzzle.com. Okay. Bye.
Thank you.